Hello sculptors. I just wanted to show you quickly what it looks like inside one of our online courses. And apparently my birds are excited to be part of this video. I don't know why, but they are happy right now. Anyway, I am moving all of these downloadable videos, and especially the sculpt boxes as well, over to a Sculpt University version that is going to be put together similarly like this, where you've got the different courses over here and a home you can go to and then jump to the different modules, which is like kind of a category of grouped lessons together. Anyway, so you just come in here. They'll say your name here, typically. Here you've got your course progress. We can just click right on this for sculpting a leprechaun. And then it will show you all the ones, so if you need to jump to one of the different sections, like if you wanted to work on the boots right away, you could do that. Otherwise, you can just follow the order that I'm teaching you. And just click on the next one. And then here you'll see the pattern. As you're ready to go on to the next one, just click over here. Then it will show you the video. You can push play on. We've got the boots here. You also have the option to make it full screen if you'd rather see it big.
To make the legs right on.
And for our downloadables, you often will have a download right here with each lesson. You'll also have an option to download your videos. It's not like that at Sculpt University because that's more of an online thing, but with these other classes that you just buy alone, you can download them to your computer and have them for ever and ever. So anyway, then you come to the bottom, you can go back to where you were, move on to the next. It's all pretty simple. But the nice part is over here, it tells you, what's coming up. And then this little thing is if you want to see that or not. I just kind of like to leave it pinned to the side like that so I can see it. But anyway, that's pretty much how it looks. It's pretty easy to go from section to section and just pop down to the video that you need. So this one is a pretty popular one. This one is Lucky the Leprechaun. And so I figure with March coming along soon, I'm trying to be ahead of the game this time around and a lot more organized. So I wanted to make this one available for you. And also we've got the Valentine one available too. As well as today, I am working on the sculpt box for January. So you'll be able to see some sneak peek videos coming from that, and by tonight or tomorrow, I should be able to have a lot of pictures showing you exactly what we've got here. And then those of you who would like to do the kit and have the kit sent to you, just go ahead and make your purchase of it through the Kofi site, and I will get it right off to you. I have the next day reserved to pick up any fabric and items and stuff I need from the craft store, and to pack up any kits that have sold. So here I just wanted to show you a little clip of this video so you can see how cute this little guy is.
And I'm going to do it here, here.
I think I'm talking about putting the buttons on here.
The side of the sleeve.
Oh, there he is.
Shoes. So that is our Lucky the Leprechaun. So inside this next sculpt box, you'll find everything you need to make a sweet little leprechaun just like this.
Alright, so pretty fun, huh? Anyway, right now I've got this on downloads for you, so it doesn't come with the kit, but I'm hoping if I can get my storage unit situation solved, I'll be able to have the kits for you as well by tomorrow. So I will keep you posted and let you know if you end up getting the downloadable and then want to upgrade to the kit later. Just let me know and I'll take care of that for you. Anyway, thanks so much for your support, and I hope you enjoy the projects that I have for you. So I'm making this the priority, and I'll make sure this gets done. And thank you so much for your support. Take care.